Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Zenology with the Zenology Pro and what you can actually get for it. So with the Zenology, which is like the primary one, what you can actually get is a core version, including access to the Zenology software, synthesizer, and Zen core sound packs. So what you get is a full preset library access, basic editing, sound pack access, wave expansions, save import export, and drum kits. But you don't have advanced editing, model expansions, deep sound capabilities, and full partial editing. Now with the Pro on the other hand, if you would like use it, what you can actually get is that yes, it's more expensive, regards the pricing, like $99 a year, or you can have like $10 a month. And what you can actually get is Zenology Pro gives access to the full toolset of Roland Zen Core Engine. And primarily here, like if I would just like use Pro, if you want to use a regular Zenology, go for classic Roland preset sounds. You're on a tight budget, you don't need deep sounds design, you're a beginner. But go with the Pro if you want full synthesis control. You own the Roland Zen Core hardware, Phantom, Jupiter X. You want model expansions, Jupiter 8, Juno 106, and you're a sound designer, and you don't really mind it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what I want to share. So the Zenology regular is preset pair with basic editing, good value. Zenology Pro full synthesizer with advanced editing, 4 partial engine, 90 plus effects, and hardware integration. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.